Rashad, Senior Minister of State for Trade and Industry and Education. Mr. Inderjit Singh, Chairman, Organising Committee, Guru Nanak Dev Ji's 550th birthday celebrations and former Member of Parliament. Mr. Harneek Singh, President, Singapore Khalsa Association. Mr. Tirlok Singh, President, Sri Guru Singh Sabha, Singapore. Venerable Sek Wang Ping, President, Inter-Religious Organisation. Mr. Ninad Deshpande, Deputy High Commissioner of India to Singapore. Members of the Singapore Sikh community, representatives of the inter-religious organizations, and ladies and gentlemen. All of you just completed the Sikh Community Harmony Walk 2019. Well done.
The 550th birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. He was born 550 years ago, and the message that he spread to the whole world is what we try to capture in the logo, and we call it the one humanity. And his teaching to us was that everyone is equal, everyone is the same, and we must respect and treat everyone equally. And so this has been the message that we want to try to impart to all, not just the Sikh community, but all Singaporeans, and to share with them what the teachings of Guru Nanak really are all about. And our goal was to achieve 550,000 hours for the whole of our celebration. The good news, we have already gotten to about 450,000 hours.
Sat Sri Akal. Thank you. Let me start by expressing my gratitude to Singapore Khalsa Association and Sri Guru Singh Sabha Singapore for inviting me to be part of the Sikh Community Harmony Walk 2019. This is such a meaningful event. It was a pleasure to have joined more than 500 participants in the final leg of the walk from Racecourse Road to this location. The Harmony Walk is part of a series of events planned by the Singapore Sikh community to celebrate the 550th birthday of the first Sikh Guru, Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. While the just completed Harmony Walk has been organised to mark this auspicious occasion in the Sikh calendar, it is also fulfilling a second equally important aim, and that is to promote interracial harmony and to forge close relations between participants who represent the Sikh community and also the different religious institutions under the IRO. Such community-based efforts are indeed important in fostering closer interracial ties, interreligious ties, friendship, and understanding. When different participants, regardless of race, language, or religion, come together to participate in events with no boundaries and no restrictions, the benefits to be gained will enhance harmony, understanding, and mutual respect. The Sikh community's contribution to Singapore have been very significant, and it is a vibrant and important part of our society. The Sikh community numbers about 12,000 in Singapore. While this may be small compared to many other ethnic communities, the Sikh community's contributions to Singapore have been significant over the years. It has earned a strong reputation for itself, which is the result of a long process of building bridges with other communities and also leveraging the strengths of the Sikh community. So the community may be small, but the impact of what you do is big. And I hope the same can be said about Singapore. As a country, we may be small, but I hope that the impact that we can make, the contributions that we can make to the region and to the world can also be big. In conclusion, let me thank everyone who is present here today. First, for inviting me to be part of your celebrations, but also be participating in this very meaningful and, to me, I think a very important and very significant event. It is also very heartening for me to see many young people amongst us, because you represent the future of Singapore. And it is in our young that we must continue to share these values, and for the young to internalize and later to demonstrate and exhibit these values. I wish the Sikh community the very best for the rest, the celebratory activities in the course of the next few months.
We should do more of it and should be done like every month or quarterly, because today is just a start and we prove it that it's really meaningful and significant to everybody.
You know, Harmony Walk is such an important part of the Sikh life in Singapore, mainly because we are a minority within a minority, maybe a minority among the minorities as well. And for Harmony Walk, it allows us to share with others what's Sikhs do, their way of life, Wanda Shakna, Kirtani, Nam Japan. Those are the values of Sikhs which are universal. It applies to everybody. And this is the opportunity for us to share those values with others.
Impress upon our young that such activities are useful and impactful, for them to at least realize what we are actually achieving. Unity, community bonding together, so among the young and old.
Functions of this nature where we try to bring in the rest of the communities to join us and let them share with us and also we share with them so that we feel as one. As Guru Nanak said, we are all one God, one humanity, so all of us share the same thing. So if we don't focus too much on the differences but focus on what holds us together, then there is no problem in the society. So I'm very glad today a large group of people came and supported in Harmony Walk to show that we need this harmony and therefore we should be always supporting it.
I learned a lot about the Guruji and the Sikh culture. It was multi-racial and many people joined the walk. It was fun, enjoying, and it was the first time for me to walk along with this group of people and joining in the sign of the 550 Gurus with the drone. So it was a fun experience for me. I enjoyed a lot and I look forward for more events like this.
I'm from Tanjung Pagar, Tiong Bahru, IRCC. So we get to know this through our chairman, we get to know from the Sikh temple. So I find this one is very good because it's an interracial harmony. I can see not only Sikh religion, but I can see Malay, Hindu, even Buddhist, and Taoist, and Christian also. So this is really a get-together bonding. Then also perform harmony. I mean, the walk is simple, but it's a good bonding for all residents. Thank you.
Okay, we are very honored, to be here at the Sikh temple for the walk. On this, for this 550 birthday, and this is where it starts from the temple itself, where we get to know more of people and the culture of it. So we are much more honored to be here.
बढ़िया लग गया बच्चे बड़े छोटे सब आगे वास्ते भी जॉइन करना सारी संगत बहुत चंगी लगती है.
Harmony Walk is so special. It's meant for the old, the young, and everyone, and that's special, isn't it? Yes. Say Bole Sonia. Sat Sri Akal.
I'm so happy that we are here. So I hope this will continue. They will keep on going, and my friend all at this age also they can walk.
I think it's a wonderful initiative, especially because it's in commemoration of the 550th birthday of our Guru Nanak Dev Ji. It's a very well organized, very thought of event, and I'm glad that the participation was wholeheartedly done. It was very nice. Because like the minister just said, we are the future. We have to lead Singapore ahead. So this racial harmony is very well done.